Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Garageband by selecting the exact region you want. Make it 30 seconds or shorter because iPhone ringtones truncate past that. Once trimmed, make sure levels aren't clipping, reduce gain, or add a fade out so the loop sounds clean. Export the selection. Choose Share, Export Song to Disk, pick AAC and 256 kbps for a crisp result. You're doing this now so the file will convert easily and keep audio fidelity when it becomes a ringtone. Once you have the exported AAC file, you need to convert and rename it so iOS recognizes it as a ringtone. On Mac OS, duplicate the file and change the extension from M4A to M4R. If Finder hides extensions, use GetInfo. If iTunes is your route, import the AAC, create an AAC version, then reveal it in Finder and rename to M4R. Make sure the file name is simple, no special characters or long spaces, because iOS can be. Now connect your iPhone to the Mac and open Finder or iTunes. Drag the M4R file onto your device's ringtones section. Once synced, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics and pick your new ringtone under Ringtone. If it doesn't appear, make sure the file is under 30 seconds and truly AAC encoded as M4R. Restart the phone and resync if necessary. Troubleshooting tip: if syncing fails, re-export from GarageBand with a small gain reduction and retry the M4R conversion, codec or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.